Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind: how to earn money using artificial intelligence. With the rapid advancements in AI technology, there are countless opportunities for you to explore and potentially boost your income. First off, let's talk about the various ways you can leverage AI. One of the most popular methods is through freelance work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are buzzing with demand for AI-related services. Whether it's creating chatbots, developing machine learning models, or even writing content, there's a niche for everyone. If you have a knack for tech, this could be a great avenue for you. Another fantastic option is to create and sell AI-generated content. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 can help you generate articles, marketing copy, or even social media posts. Businesses are always on the lookout for fresh content, and if you can provide that with the help of AI, you're in a prime position to earn. If you're more inclined towards education, consider offering online courses or tutorials on how to use AI tools effectively. Many people are eager to learn, and sharing your knowledge can not only be rewarding but also profitable. Platforms like Teachable or Udemy make it easy to set up your courses and reach a wide audience. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. By promoting AI tools and software that you genuinely believe in, you can earn commissions on sales made through your referral links. This is a great way to monetize your online presence, especially if you have a blog or a social media following. Lastly, think about investing in AI startups or stocks, as the AI industry continues to grow. So do the opportunities for financial gain. Just make sure to do your research and invest wisely. Remember, the key to success in any of these avenues is to stay informed and continuously improve your skills. The world of AI is ever-evolving, and being adaptable will set you apart from the rest. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Here's to your success in the exciting world of AI.